Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, October 31st. Now for those of you heading out to the Traders Expo in Las Vegas, I'll be speaking there on Saturday. So if you're there, please do come by. Look forward to meeting you or seeing you again. Let's talk about what's going on in these markets. And what we saw was a market reacting to a rumor. The NASDAQ market was getting stronger on some good information coming out of Apple, but we also had a rumor that the corporate tax decrease may be rolled out over or phased in over a number of years. That has the biggest impact on the Russell 2000. That index is made up of small companies, and that's where the biggest movement occurred. But you also see the NASDAQ moving back a bit. I am not that's bearish, by the way. The structure here, it says a down day for Tuesday. I'm looking for a sideways move for that market. Let's move on. And let's take a look at what's going on with that dollar. And you can see that the euro got stronger as the dollar got weaker, really across the board in these currencies. The market here, the Swissy traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change in that market, just to give you a feel for what that represents, is $3,500 a contract. Over here in Japanese yen, the magnitude change here is $1,125. Aussie dollar magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $1,780. British pound magnitude change between that bearish and bullish levels in that market, $406.25. Now, I do look for follow through to the upside in these currencies. Let's move on and take a look at the interest rate markets. Well, what you're seeing here for the 10-year notes, based upon the action we saw in the stock market, does make sense. And I do look for an unchanged type day. I'm not looking for follow through to the upside. Feel the same way about bonds. The magnitude change here between that bullish and bearish level in that market is $750 a contract, and I'm looking for an inside day in that market. In the gold market, it's working its way a bit higher. I don't look for follow through to the upside. We did here in the silver market. It traded just above its bullish level. Magnitude change in that market, $1,050 a contract, and I look for an inside day in that market. In crude oil, it's getting higher, but it's also slowing down. And I have my doubts about that market. I'm not looking for strength coming in. A sideways move would be reasonable, or lower prices in that market. And soybeans traded, this market traded lower. I'm not looking for a dramatic move down, but rather an inside day for Tuesday for that market as well. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.